Ever scrolled through Instagram and wished your iPhone screen could glow like those mesmerizing neon signs? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of iPhone customization to bring that neon dream to life. Understanding the neon trend. Neon has taken the digital world by storm, adding a vibrant and futuristic touch to everything from social media posts to phone wallpapers. But how can you harness this trend on your iPhone? Let's break it down. Method 1. Neon wallpapers. App Store magic. The App Store is your go-to for a vast collection of neon-themed wallpapers. Search for keywords like neon, cyberpunk, or futuristic. Custom creation. If you're feeling creative, apps like PixArt or Adobe Photoshop Express let you design your own neon wallpapers. Experiment with bright colors, geometric shapes, and bold lines. Dynamic wallpapers. For iOS 16 and later, you can set dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day. Some apps offer neon-themed dynamic wallpapers that shift with the time. Method 2. Neon keyboard themes. Third-party keyboards. Apps like Gboard or SwiftKey allow you to customize your keyboard with neon themes. You can choose from a variety of neon colors and styles to match your personal taste. iOS native keyboard. While iOS doesn't offer native neon keyboard themes, you can still customize the look and feel of your keyboard. Adjust the font size, key shape, and haptic feedback to create a more personalized experience. Method 3. Neon app icons. Icon packs. There are numerous icon packs available on the App Store that offer neon-themed icons. These packs can transform the look of your home screen, making it visually stunning. Manual customization. For a more hands-on approach, you can manually change app icons using shortcuts. This method requires some technical knowledge but allows for greater customization. Method 4. Neon notification banners. Jailbreaking. While not recommended for most users, jailbreaking your iPhone opens up advanced customization options. With the right tweaks, you can customize the appearance of notification banners to give them a neon glow. Tips for a neon phone aesthetic. Color coordination. Choose a color palette that complements your neon theme. Black and dark gray backgrounds work well with bright neon colors. Minimalist design. A clean and minimalist design can enhance the impact of neon elements. Avoid clutter on your home screen and lock screen. Personalization. Make your neon phone unique by adding personal touches like custom fonts, widgets, and wallpapers. Battery life. Be mindful of battery consumption when using highly customized themes and wallpapers. Dark mode can help save battery life. By combining these methods and tips, you can transform your iPhone into a vibrant neon masterpiece. Remember, the key to a successful neon aesthetic is balance and moderation. Don't overdo it, and let your phone's personality shine through. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.